Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make these colorful paper flowers. We're going to use 2 coffee filters for the flower, markers, scissors, a spray bottle, and a pipe cleaner. Coffee filters, pipe cleaners, a variety of colors, scissors, a spray bottle with water. When I do this lesson in class, I'll cover up all the tables with paper. I usually use butcher block paper, but you can also use a tablecloth. This keeps the surface of the table nice and clean. Let's get started. First, you will need 2 coffee filters. So take 2 out of the stack that you have. And then we're going to fold each of these in half 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Once you have it folded 3 times, you're going to take your scissors and we're going to make 1, 2, 3 curved lines along this edge for the flower petals, like this. 1, 2, 3. Do the same thing with your second coffee filter. Fold it in half 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to use my scissors. Remember, if you keep the scissors open and put the paper right here, it'll be easier to cut. You don't have to close them all the way, just like that. So we're going to cut 3 curved lines on the top here. 1, 2, and you have to keep it folded. 3. There we go. That's going to be for the petals. So move the trash out of the way. Then you're going to open up both coffee filters like this, set them down. Next, we're going to take our markers, pick a couple colors that you want to color your flower with. You're going to color both of them with the same colors, the same patterns, all right? So I think for this, I'm going to use, let's use orange, and how about some yellow, and maybe a little bit of purple. All right. So I'm going to color those in. I'm going to start at the center, maybe do a pattern if you want. You can do rings, you can do wavy lines. I'm going to start by coloring the center like a solid circle like this. And then I'm going to use orange and do a ring of orange around the purple. Color it in. Next, I'm going to use some yellow. Now you can leave some parts white, that's fine. You don't have to color the entire thing. Okay, I'll leave a little bit of white here, and then at the top, I'm gonna add some purple. I'm gonna skip purple, do the pattern, every other one. Then maybe here I'm gonna do orange. Let's see, just like a line like that. So another pattern. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this on the second one here. I'm going to stack the 2 coffee filters on top of each other like this. And then I'm going to point to the center. And then on the back, I'm gonna kind of pinch like the top of my finger here. And then kind of make a circle with your hand like that between your fingers and pull through. And then you're going to twist, pinch and twist like that, see? Take one of your pipe cleaners and you see the direction of the paper, you're gonna twist the pipe cleaner on top of that in the same direction, kind of making a spring or a coil. You wanna make it pretty tight, twist it tight. Watch your finger on that wire there, okay? Until it holds in place. All right, then what you wanna do is unfold these petals. We did 2, so it created the illusion that it has more petals and it looks a little more realistic. Spread them out. There we go. Okay, now the fun part. You're going to take your spray water bottle and you're going to give it a couple sprays of water to get the markers to bleed and to mix together. You don't want to over wet it because then it might come out of the pipe cleaner that you twisted on it. So just give it a couple squirts. Give it a couple squirts on top like this. All right, and then set it somewhere to dry. And I'll show you what it looks like when it's dry. Let's check out my finished flowers. I actually made 3 altogether. I used the same steps that I used on the one in the video to make 3. The paper has dried and the markers have blended together. Once the paper dries, you can reshape the petals like this, open them up if you want to. This is called feathering. When it moves like that through the paper, that's called feathering. I think they came out terrific. I made more than one because then you can put them together like a bouquet like this. You could even put them inside of a vase, something like that if you want. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe. Check out my other videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Stop and smell the flowers. Mmm.